What's the meaning of cookery book? Cookery book. Cookery book.
Cookery book. Cookery book. A cookery book is a written collection of recipes and cooking instructions. Its purpose is to help individuals prepare and cook dishes in their own home kitchens. Cookery books can range from basic beginner guides to complex gourmet recipe collections. They may be produced by individual chefs, culinary schools, or food writers. Cookery books often include photographs or illustrations of the finished dishes as well as step-by-step instructions. These books are widely used by home cooks and professional chefs alike to broaden their culinary skills and knowledge.